Textiles. Enchanting, exhilarating, tantalizing, timelessly classic, heartwarming, mind-blowing, soul-stirring. Textiles. The evolution of textiles is a conspicuous definition of the evolution of human societies itself. Textiles signify a unique interface between art and science, and the developments in textile technologies across centuries are markers of human economic and industrial development. From the time of hand-woven fabrics, textiles have evolved today as a fast-forward technology frontier, introducing a path-breaking, exception-to-the-rule presence in this frontier. Chhripal Group, a multi-dimensional textile conglomerate with global footprints, state-of-the-tech infrastructure, superlative human asset, and inspirational leadership, all fine blended with good old value systems. Chhripal Group began its corporate juggernaut in an unassuming fashion with a single power loom unit in Ahmedabad in 1972. But behind this modest beginning was the barrierless vision of an imaginative entrepreneur, Ved Prakash Chhripal. In the following decades, Ved Prakash Chhripal built an innovatively managed, vertically integrated, aggressively competent, $300 million business conglomerate. Today, Chhripal Group is one of India's largest manufacturers and exporters of textile products. What is more, apart from textiles, its activities today span chemicals, petrochemicals, infrastructure, real estate, education, and retail. The flagship that leads Chhripal Group's corporate flotilla is Chhripal Industries Limited. The Fabrics division of Chhripal Industries Limited has world-class manufacturing and processing capacities for wovens, knitwear, bottom weights, warp knits, flock fabrics, bed sheets, cotton hosiery, etc., catering to diverse domestic and industrial applications. This division produces a vast array of embroidered fabrics, laces, dress materials, nets, all-overs and motifs. Backed by an efficient captive power generation plant and optimally manned by a 1,000-strong, highly experienced human asset, Chhripal Industries satisfies the qualitative and quantitative demands of local, national and international clienteles. Besides the Fabrics division, Chhripal Industries Limited also operates a chemicals division that manufactures synthetic adhesives and acrylic-based emulsions for paint and textile industries. In a far-sighted backward integration of its Fabrics division, Chhripal Industries set up a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility for partially oriented yarns, fully drawn yarns and draw-textured yarns, etc. in a range of deniers and finishes. Chhripal Industries Limited, Petrochemicals Unit. This future-smart backward integration provides Chhripal Group a range of upstream products for captive use, and the remnant production is channeled to domestic sales and exports. As its corporate synergy evolved further, Chhripal Group annexed another petrochemicals unit, CIL Nova Petrochemicals Limited. True to the Chhripal tradition of excellence and leadership, CIL Nova soon emerged as a leading producer of POY, FDY, PTY and DTY. CIL Nova today is a frontline FDY manufacturer of India and a noted name in the domestic market. As its corporate journey proceeded vertically, keeping in sync with global textile industry trends, Chhripal Group added world-class denim manufacturing capacity to its portfolio under the aegis of a newly founded company, Nandan Exim Limited. 21st century manufacturing unit for 100% cotton and blended bottom wear fabrics and denims, Nandan Exim today enjoys a global footprint. Thanks to its best-in-class technology and international quality management practices, within a short span since its inception in 2006, The company has made deep inroads into domestic markets as well as high-volume export markets such as Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Egypt and Syria, and the world's premier textile markets such as US, Peru, Brazil and Venezuela. Taking its corporate mission 10 leaps ahead, Chiripal Group has set up a uniquely cost-effective single-door destination for the textile manufacturing sector. Vraj Integrated Textile Park Limited, VITPL. Sprawling over 57 acres of prime land and conceived as a plug-and-play resource center, the park will be an extraordinary value-for-money destination for the textile manufacturing sector. It is equipped with comprehensive, world-class infrastructure for textile manufacture, from captive power plant to intelligently space-managed facilities, from world-class testing labs to new-gen design studio, and eco-friendly processes such as rainwater harvesting and common effluent treatment plant. The park will have everything that qualifies it as an international level institution, enabling incomparable cost effectiveness and easy optimal productivity. So much so that textile entrepreneurs will be able to just walk in and begin their business. It has by now become a distinct tradition of the Chiripal Group to strategically integrate backward, forward, vertically and horizontally in order to exercise complete command over its quality. Vishal Fabrics Private Limited is a co-unit of Chiripal Group dedicated to textile fabric processing. Its environmentally friendly manufacturing facility is fully compliant with Ecotech Standards 100 and holds vast capacities to print and dye, process and finish a range of fabrics such as cotton, viscose, polyester, nylon in wider widths up to 3,200 millimeters. Moving on to the front end of its manufacturing chain, Chiripal Group floated Chiripal Lifestyle Limited in 2008 and under its aegis launched Connections, a new-gen fashion brand. Chiripal Lifestyle Limited signifies Chiripal Group's venture into urban India's exponentially growing branded lifestyle market. The company has launched Connections, a value-for-money, high-profile fashion brand that offers a fusion of high product quality, superior user experience and out-of-the-box creativity. Manufactured in high-tech plants and marketed as objects for timeless, relaxed living, the Connections brand today has a growing pan-India retail presence. In a philosophical sense, Connections is Chiripal Group's attempt to connect with end-of-the-chain consumer. Even as it diversified, expanded and grew continually, the Chiripal Group has made steady endeavors to give back to the society a part of the rewards it bestowed upon it. Shanti Educational Institutes, a beyond-the-business pro bono initiative of the Chiripal Group. Shanti Asiatic School, Shanti Junior School, Shanti Business School. Through these inspired institutions, Chiripal Group strives to enrich the lives of future generations and shape better destinies for them through knowledge sharing and value building. Over the years, Chiripal Group has evolved a futuristic corporate character, reinvesting significantly in state-of-the-art technologies and upgrading them on par with the world's best. But the group has ensured that it does not lose its soul in the hurry-burry of business. In fact, it is one of India's most environment-friendly textile groups, employing benchmark systems, processes and equipment for natural resources conservation, pollution, elimination, effluent water treatment, recycling and waste minimization. The Chiripal Group also adheres to a comprehensive health, safety and environment policy. It is this all-encompassing sense of responsibility and accountability that has enabled the group to offer outstanding value to all its investors, stakeholders, patrons and employees. As reflected in its CAGR of 13.4% over the past 5 years and impart it with a singular cutting edge in everything from fiber to fabric to fashion. What will be the next wind of change in textiles? Smart textiles, nano textiles, geotextiles, eco-textiles, 3D textiles, hybrid textiles, whatever it will be, the Chhripal Group will be ready to adapt itself, to take on challenges, to change from inside out, to succeed against odds. Because that is the fabric the Chhripal corporate gene is woven with.